Yeah, boy. I'm gonna miss this place. OMETEPE. The Fountain of Youth, huh? This is a coffee farm. They also got mayonnaise sapote tree here. At least it looks like mayonnaise sapotes. Looks like potatoes on a tree. But man, those fruits are good, huh? These ones, not edible though. Huge ass papayas. Yeah, it's a coffee farm, but they grow everything. OMETEPE, Garden of Eden, confirmed. Fountain of Youth, confirmed. Maybe it's just the whole experiment I'm doing, the Tropics All Day Experiment. It has been the most powerful experiment I've ever done. And I've done a lot of experiments. I tried all the diets. Some of them wrecked me bad. Some of them were pretty good in Finland. But none of them made me feel as freaking fantastic as this experiment. And I'm older now. And I've fucked myself up big time. Go check some of those videos where I explain where I went very wrong in my life. But here, I'm not kidding. You almost feel like you gaining years back in your life. Going down because somebody owned that place and he was looking at what the fuck is this gringo doing here. Anyway, we go with the coffee. Yeah, I'm not kidding. It feels like I'm just getting younger here. Like I'm getting back some, what would you say, attributes that my body has kind of lost. When I started the raw chicken experiment, I felt so empty, so out of life force because I've been over-exercising so many years before that, with a very bad environment in a city in Finland under the blue lit gyms, pushing my body every single day, abusing my body. Like I was feeling done, son, when I started the raw chicken experiment, and that kinda helped because I kinda stopped exercising a lot. I was more in the nature. Maybe the food helped a little bit, but it was only a little bit. And slowly I kinda started to get better, but it was very slow progress. But here, we've been here under 80 days, and I've had massive, and I mean massive change how I feel. I feel about 10 years younger. Like I said, before I started the raw chicken experiment, I felt like my life force was very down. I felt very empty inside. I felt like the magic of living has kinda gone on the wayside. I wasn't feeling the magic anymore that I did before. But here, I've gotten all of that back and more. And the funny thing is, I'm not even trying to optimize anything. I know I'm not trying to be freaking perfect about diet or anything. I just wake up when the sun rises, eat whatever, although we still been eating good. I just found some brains. I'm gonna film that one after this, or when I get hungry. Cow brains for the first time. So we obviously been eating very good here, but also kinda shit, Coca-Colas and stuff. But my body can handle all of that and just feel good every single day. I have so much life force again here that I kinda wanna exercise. Not exercise, but just kinda, I've been so much more active here. I hiked up here. This is on the hills of the Madeiras volcano. It's fun. Feels good. And my body can handle it. In the Finland, my body couldn't even handle It couldn't handle anymore there. Yeah, that's butterflies. Yeah. So, I ain't kidding when I say every video, get your ass over here. Especially if you got any problems, but these days, the health is linked with your freedom, with your wealth. That's why I also talk about those things, because they're all linked. And most of the countries, everything's bad. It's non-native EMF hellhole, sucking the living life out of you, sucking your soul, sucking your life force. That's kind of what the city I was living in Finland is. 5G hellhole. And half of the year we don't got any sunshine even. It's cold and dark. Like right now. In Finland it's super cold and super dark. They get like 5 hours of shitty sunlight. UV 0. Here, December, UV 10, UV 9. Like, when you start to think about when you know where to pay your attention to, it's no freaking surprise I feel so good. It's actually not surprising at all how well this experiment is going. I was kind of predicting it was gonna go like this, but it is. It's way more fun to actually experience it, to feel these things than just think about maybe it's gonna go like this. It's probably gonna be very good, but it's actually better to actually experience it and feel it. Yeah. Just seeing things very clear. The clarity my mind has gained over here. I know pretty well what's going on in the world already. I have made so many videos that got this channel so shadow banned. It's not even funny. But just clarity about my own life also. Anyway, it's kinda one of those videos. You just wanna reflect a little bit and give some inspiration to anybody who needs it. Because many people need the inspiration. And many people are so lost. They don't know their ass from their elbow. They don't know up from down. What's healthy, what's not. There's so many scammers, so many pimps, so many chills, so many glow-in-the-dark assholes. Like all the popular guys pretty much. Like 95% of them are glow-in-the-dark. You can see them in the dark. That's just how it goes, huh? But there's answer to all of that. And the answer is health. And from health you can start building anything. You can start building families. You can start building your bloodline. But you need to understand the health. And most people don't. Because most places anymore don't support health. But I can say from the bottom of my heart, OMETEPE, still one of those places that you feel like you're Adam in the Garden of Eden, huh? And this place supports health. This place makes you feel like a baby and nourishes you. Nourishes your physical, mental, spiritual. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this place. We need to come back. Anyway, it's an amazing place to remember the days of your youth and kind of start to feel that one again. Honestly, this is the best I've felt in years, and this is on top of the Costa Rica already, where I also felt fantastic. But I feel like we kind of stacking it up, the benefits. And let's see We're gonna go back to Finland right now after OMETEPE at the darkest time of the year. Or we got some other places to check it out that might be even better. Who knows? Mr. Base Scientist used the topping himself. Just making things better and better. That's how it gonna feels like right now. Like the Tropics All Day Experiment has been so much more powerful than raw chicken experiment ever was. So much more powerful. So yeah, get your ass over here right about now. It's fucking fantastic. Seriously. Even the dirty ass hippies on this island can't ruin my vibe. I beat them hippies up. And tell them, go get some of that brain from the butcher over here. Oh yeah. You don't even need the brain here probably. But it doesn't hurt. It probably will help. Like most likely. That's the way to DHA up over here. Because you don't got the seafood over here. But the nature is so powerful here. You can kind of mess up some of the things like diet a little bit and all that. And still be doing good as a motherfucker. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for the best science channel there ever was and there ever will be. See ya.